And then we've also trained them on, in HVAC, it's very key to replace multiple parts to reduce comebacks.
Right.
So when a compressor fails, you commit suicide in essence. Even if you replace that compressor and flush it, there's tiny particles of metal still flowing through that HVAC system. It'll get caught in your TXV expansion valve, your dryer. So we always recommend if you sell a compressor, sell a expansion valve and dryer, just to ensure you don't have that comeback. And the investment for the fleet is very small. It's relatively small in the scope of that sale. But we've had data on our light duty site show us that you reduce comebacks by over 10% when you replace all those key components at the same time, at the time of service. And you don't want that downtime for an HVAC unit. That's one thing you don't want to risk if you're selling it to your fleet, is downtime because of an HVAC compressor. And it seizes, and it's you've got pulleys on there. There's other components now will be impacted.
Yeah, and that downtime, the labor is going to be far more
Correct.
than the replacement parts on the initial purchase. But in addition to that, then you have all those other potential expenses that come along to having a truck down, loss of revenue, so on and so forth.